the Philippine Air Force has not received any official directive. Actually nga po ngayon, we are on white alert status. So pagaya nga po ng na-reiterate ko na previously we were asking about it since last night, we are undergoing normal air operation, routine operations. And ayun po yung status po natin ngayon sa Villamor Air Base.
So walang anything unusual, ma'am.
Wala po, sir.
Thank you po.
Thank you very much.